Hi guys, my name is Simone and I'm going to be giving you simple tips of how to detangle curly hair. Curlies, if you don't have time to do a big wash and go, you can always take your spray bottle with some water or some oil and just spray it to your hair and use your hands or wide tooth comb. Simple. So my favourite tips for detangling, firstly, conditioner with a good slip. It will depend on your hair, the amount that you're going to use, but I love a conditioner with good slip. My second tip, using your hands or wide tooth comb to detangle. And my third tip is from root to tip when you're applying your product. So curlies, don't panic. You are going to come across some knots, and what I would suggest is get your spray bottle with water, spray where the knot is, and either use your fingers or a wide tooth comb and just hold on to where the knot is and just slowly detangle. My top 3 products to detangle my hair are the Cantu Coil Calm Detangler. Not only does it detangle your hair, but gives you a good shine. My second product is the Shea Moisture Black Castor Orange, love it, and my Denman brush to detangle my hair. Thank you curlies for watching my top tips on detangling curly hair. I hope you found it very useful. Pop some comments below if you have any questions and be sure to subscribe. Bye.